Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of I Bought to Watch. Earlier today I was looking through my analytics of the channel and I saw that the gold Casio video is performing incredibly well. I'll leave a link to that up here. Right, so I'm not 100% sure of the reason why that video in particular is doing so well, but in order to potentially recapture some of that success, I bought myself another Casio, which I'm going to do an initial impressions and unboxing for you guys. And just a reminder, if you do like what you see, please remember to like and subscribe. So the model I have for you today is the W-210 1BVES and comes in this rather simple cardboard two-piece box. And there it is, all nicely wrapped up. Alright, I think I picked this one up for about £13 off Amazon. Let's see what you get. There looks to be a booklet in a back compartment. Here. Yep, okay, so here's the instruction booklet, and it also, I believe, comes with a warranty from Casio and somewhere you can sign up. Either way, we won't be needing any of that right now. Okay, let's look at this watch. So I'm just going to remove it from this protective plastic bag. Oh, and it does come with a hang tag which says the reference number and Casio. Right, so let's get a look at this watch. So what really drew me to this watch is I think it's kind of reminiscent of the Timex Iron Man, which is a watch I've always been interested in, but was never a fan of the price tag, so I was wondering if this could be an affordable alternative. And on first impressions, it looks like it does a really good job. It has this soft and pliable textured rubber strap, which is nicely integrated into that case. On the display, we have the typical day, date, month display with a 10-second countdown indicator in the top corner. The display shows the time with running seconds and can be switched between a 24-hour or 12-hour display. This watch, like many other affordable offerings from Casio, is jam-packed full of features. An alarm, a chronograph function, start, stop, and reset, and a second time zone. The watch also comes with a light. I must say it's not overly bright. Let's see if I can show you here. As you can see, it's one of those little LED light displays on the side. I'll have to get this one in the dark to show you how that looks in the full review. Alright, let's get this hang tag off, and then all that's left to do is to pop this one and see how it wears on my wrist. Okay, there it is. I must say I really like how this one wears. It does have a rather peculiar buckle though, unsigned sadly, and I find it strangely large. Currently, my first impressions of this watch is that it's going to be perfectly suited as a run-around active watch that I don't have to worry about getting wet thanks to that 50 meters of water resistance. I really like the size of this one. It's not too big as to get caught on things like, say, a G-Shock might. However, it's also not incredibly small like the F91W, and I think the result looks pretty well sized for my 7.5-inch wrist. Okay, I guess that sums up my first impressions of this Casio. I'll leave a link in the description where you can pick this one up, or you can wait until I release the full review in about a week's time. Either way, in the meantime, you can go check out some of my other videos, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, that just about does it for this episode. I'm sorry the episode wasn't too long. I've been rather busy lately, but I do still want to keep releasing regular content for you guys. Alright guys, stay safe, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye!